So I hope you enjoyed that little demonstration of how to paint balustrading. When they're round, you actually do exactly the same thing. It's no difference. You're probably wondering what I'm actually going to do with that underneath there. Well, that gets done with a gun, or you can go along with a little brush afterwards and hit it. But the gun gets squirted up there with a small tip. So what we do now, I just go through and we gap up everything. We have some putty there for any putty holes. But yeah, gap up anything that might allow any water or anything like that to sit. And we don't gap up there, so no water can sit up there, but we do gap around the handrails, and that'll be all painted in as well. Then these will be have a light sand down. Anything that was taken back to bare will have a light sand with 180 sandpaper. And then it'll have 2 coats of gloss acrylic applied to it afterwards. So, finished all our gapping. Tomorrow I've got to sand all this by hand because it's a little bit furry. Anything that was back to bare will have to have a sand, and then it can have its final coats with the spray gun. So we're just using a little tip, just work steady. It's good as gold. Be able to do one section and then just come back and put a second one on it, so that this western side will have 3 because it went back to bare, and the other one will have 2. Bit of rotten timber there. Pretty good though, not bad.